But no, seriously, like I think that everyone should do this. If you're an artist, you gotta do this. It's like, especially if you want to be successful. There's like no other way around it. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Good Milhouse back at it again with another video. Welcome. What's good, y'all? And let's talk about putting yourself out there. Man, there are so many things that I've started to realize and understand with the art community that's been bothering the shit out of me. It's the fact that a lot of you guys are amazing. You guys could really start getting those commissions and start living the best lives if you just put your work out there. Jesus Christ. You know, you would be surprised how many times like people will add me and they're like, I'm an artist too. I'm like, okay, where's your art? Oh, I don't post my art on Instagram or anywhere. I'm like, well then, like, are you really an artist though? Because like, I need to see receipts. Anyone can say they're an artist. Anyone can say they do anything. But if I don't see it, like, is it real though? That's how I see it. Unless if it's something that you want to, if this is something that you do just for yourself and you don't feel like you need to share it to the world, fine. But there's just literally some artists out there that's like, man, I want to get commissions, or I want to, like, you know, have these like good outcomes. I want to work for this company. I want to work for Blizzard. I want to work for Riot. I want to work for Disney. How the hell are they gonna find you if you don't even put your stuff out there? This is like my biggest pet peeve. And like, I even made like a little TikTok post about this, which I'm so close to taking it down, where I just said, hey guys, if you guys want to be my art friend and you guys want to add me, you want to be mutuals, you guys can do so. Just comment. And people commented. Man, they freaking comment. And the thing is, when I get those comments on TikTok and I click on the profile and I see no videos up, I see no Instagram connected, like, it's ridiculous. And I'm telling you, my life has changed for the better since I've been putting myself out there on social media. Like, dead ass. I don't want this to come off as like a flex of any kind, like of like, oh, here's, you know, I'm so cool. Like, this is what happened to me when I blew up on TikTok, whatever. No, it's not it. But I'm just saying, I would not have these, I guess, these amazing moments if I didn't put myself out there. All right. And I used to be an artist that would hoard my drawings because I knew I was bad, right? I just knew I wasn't good enough and I didn't want to share my artwork, you know. When I had like the utmost lowest confidence in myself, I even showed my sketchbook to a person that I was shitting bricks. I was about to brick myself, bro. I was a nervous wreck. I showed him my sketchbook and like, oh, my friend, he has a storyboarding like company. You should like totally work for him. And you know what I did? I shot myself in the foot because I felt like I wasn't good enough. There goes a missed opportunity. The door forever closed. Forever closed. And that's my fault. No one else's but mine. It's not my upbringing. It's not my parents. It's not the world itself. My fault. I take full-on accountability for like my outcomes. And I take full accountability for my outcomes when it comes to the good stuff as well. Here's why. During the pandemic, everyone lost their jobs, man, and it was rough. For me, I was kind of like 50-50 on it. I was happy the fact that I didn't have to go to work because like work sucks. Like, I'm not doing anything creative there. I'm just checking IDs. You know, I'm just being a dick at the door when time comes to be a dick. But other than that, like, it wasn't fulfilling to me. Like, I wasn't doing the thing that I actually cared for. Like, I didn't wake up the next day like, oh boy, I'm ready to go to work. You're like, no, that was never me. During the pandemic, I forgot about everybody. Like, I'm talking about, I worked with these people for years. I made good friends with these people that I worked with for years. Didn't think about them not even once during the pandemic. You know why? Because I was happy for the fact that I could just sit home and draw and create. And by doing that and posting my stuff on Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that, I even made like I'm telling you, if you Google Get Good Milhouse, Google will show you a list of places that I'm like located. Like, it's ridiculous. And I got commissions this way. I got commissions this way. It wasn't as like frequent as I wanted it to be, but the moment when I really needed like to get some funds for either like food or to like get gas or anything, here comes a random people from the Twitch community saying, hey, I saw your post on Instagram. I looked up art commissions for or artists for hire or whatever in one of your posts, and like I found you, I like your work, and I was just wondering if you can do these illustrations for me. I did that, right? I did some emotes. It was like $50. It wasn't that much. For me, it was enough. It was enough so I can get myself some like, you know, easy meals in. And it cascaded. And man, did it cascade. I got invited to their server for the person I did the artwork for, and that person introduced me to their friends, and their friends wanted to hire me as an artist. Isn't that like awesome? How like one Instagram post of $50 can lead to a commission that can pay you $600? It's wild. It's wild. And this is why I believe that every artist out there, no matter how bad you are, start posting your work. You know, and like, even if you don't even gain a lot of like followers, but the people who were there from day one, a lot of them just like to see people grow. You wouldn't believe how many messages I got off of Instagram and TikTok, not even TikTok, but Instagram alone about like, dude, I was watching your progress and it's insane to see your artwork evolve. For me, I couldn't see it. It's like losing weight. You don't see the results of your dedication and discipline until like years later, until like, oh wow, my face is not as chubby anymore, you know? And this is why I strongly urge every artist out there just to put your work out there. Put your work out there. You might never know what might happen. When I started making a YouTube channel, dude, my YouTube videos the quality was dog trash garbage. Like dumpster fires. That's what they were, you know? But I stayed consistent. I stayed with it, and now I'm more comfortable being in front of the camera so I can talk to you guys and just give you guys a little bit more about my personality and show you who I am as a person. I think that's amazing because like now that I can go outside, I can actually properly like introduce myself to other people. But if you guys noticed, if you guys know, like I know some of you guys here came from Daneckart's side of YouTube, and they're like, I saw you on his YouTube channel and I went to your channel and like, yo, I love the content that you've done. I love the book recommendations. I love all the free helpful information that you give out. Like, I like your content. I even went to your TikTok, and it starts cascading from there. And you know how I got to like the opportunity to work with Daneckhart is when he made a video saying that I'm looking for featured artists to put on my YouTube channel. And even if it's like, for me, even if it's like short-lived or whatever, I don't care because it's like a great opportunity anyway, and still get to know other artists within the community. Super dope. You get to collab with like so many people. Like I never imagined I would ever FaceTime, Zoom, text, or call another artist that's like on another side of the world to me. You know, like, you ever just see people and like, I'm never gonna meet that person, I'm never gonna talk to that person, and bam, it freaking happens. It freaking happens. And this is why I say that you gotta put yourself out there. Dan, he saw my YouTube videos, he thought like I had like a cool little setup here, man. It took me like years to like set up this room. If you guys ever see my first couple videos in this room, it was barren. All right, I did the most I can to like make it better. It's not only with Dan, like even on TikTok, I posted my art. I made some personal videos about myself as a person and characters, or like even doing skits, and that took off really well, and then that led to the growth of this YouTube channel even more. If we get up to 1,000, I think we're gonna be able to get monetized, guys. So let's get this channel to 1,000. What do you guys say? Share this video, like it. It all helps out the channel, and it helped me out as well. So I'm just saying, from one person that used to be a super introvert, a shell of a human being that never liked to show anyone what they did or like what they're doing at the moment or whatever, or anything creatively, it opens up more doors for you than anything else if you just start posting your stuff out there. So trust and believe me, like, just put your stuff out there. You might never know the great outcomes that can come from you just showing off your work. And especially if you guys are trying to like work in the industry or even get familiar with the art community even more, put your work out there. You'll meet some amazing friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. And remember, you guys are always improving because you're looking for it.